Yes, now. Okay, I hope this is also clear. Now we go to the next one. This is the second part of the problem solving. I just cut the lecture because it's a bit long already. So we have, I'll just copy everything to sheet number 3. So I'll just call sheet number 1 problem 1, right? Problem 1. And then sheet number 3 as problem 2. I'm hearing loud TV or something like that. I don't know where it's coming from. Okay, so for problem 2, look at the given. To produce a product, the company needs 2.5 set of raw materials. The problem in problem 1, we only need 0.5 of the materials. Now we need 2.5 set of the materials. Okay. And then to produce next one, the set of raw materials cost 130. So this now becomes 130, and you need 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. So 2.5 of raw materials. So that means, the raw materials per product would be 325. A skilled worker could make only one product in a day. Okay, so skilled worker only make one product a day. One product a day. Okay, and then the company has 30 workers. Okay, 30 workers. Mm-hmm. Workers. It doesn't say that they're all skilled workers, right? I think it's only assumed 30 workers. Okay, so the company could provide 900 units in a month. Yeah, 30, 900. They could provide 900 units. What does that mean? Could provide, company provides, company could provide 900 units a month. Okay, let's just put it here. I don't know how to use it yet. The labor charge is 75 a day. Labor charge is 75 a day. Okay, for workers is 75 a day. Okay, a while ago it says 600 a day for the total labor. So the total the labor charge for workers is 700. The total labor charge per worker. Okay, so it's important. So this is per worker 75 a day. Okay, so we have other things that are here. Let's input everything first. We have the accountant salary is at 17,000. Okay, nice going. 17,000. Okay. Marketing manager. Marketing manager. I think this is this given is coming from an old book. Yeah, 15,500. It's not even updated. Electric bill is per month. Okay, electric bill per month is 5,000. Okay, so you should see how I'm doing it, putting it in the amount column every time. The water charge is 900 per month. 900 per month. You just put it here so that you will understand it's per month. Then we have rent. Monthly rent is 6,000. This is assumed to be per month. Other utilities, okay, these are part also of the overhead, so 3.5. So this is not now anymore important. Okay, so we are to solve the variable cost. Yeah, I think this is also topsy-turvy. So we have the variable cost. Okay, so the variable cost, skilled workers here would be 30 in this case. So there are 30 workers. Mm-hmm. And then the units produced a day is 1. So that's 30 products per day. I don't know how they can come up with 900 per month. What does that mean? Let's analyze that later. Products per day is 300, right? Oh, so 300 times 30, yeah? Is that okay? So 300 30 a day times, are they working 30 days in a month? That's why it's 900 units a month. Yeah, I think it's assumed that way because if you multiply 30 by 30, that's 900 in a month. I don't know. I'm just assuming this, okay? 25 days a month, so 24 products a day. This is not anymore important. This is assumed given. I'm just assuming it, okay? So the cost of the product would be, is it correct? 900, because you have 900 in a month, multiplied by the 325. So 900 by 325. Okay? So it's 900 multiplied by 325. 900 times 325. Okay? In our case, we are using Excel, so 900 multiplied by 325. Let's attach this, okay? So if not, we will have a problem. 900 multiplied by 325. 292. Yes, it's correct. 900. Okay? Labor charge. So this is not anymore. It's not important. So the labor charge is 75 a day per worker. 75 a day per worker. So so 75 a day per worker. 75 multiplied by, wait, how come it's not there? 75 times 30 times 30. Okay? So it's like 75 a day multiplied by 30 workers multiplied by 30 days in a month. Okay, so the total variable cost would come out as 360,000. Okay, and now we have the fixed cost. The fixed cost would be this one: accountant's salary, marketing manager salary, electric bill, water charge, and so all of these are all the fixed costs. Okay, so fixed costs. Actually, we have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have 6 rows here. Actually, it's not needed if you are assuming, that this is like a continuous thingy over here. So, but in order for you to see it better, so I'll just copy it like that. Okay, this is still green. We have to paint green. So now the total fixed cost would be, So the total fixed cost would be the total of this. Okay, so 47,900, right? Now we said number of units per month is 900. This is actually a given. So 47,900. Okay, so variable cost, this is correct. This is the answer to letter A. Fixed cost, 47,900. Fixed cost, letter B. The number of days is the number of days that the workers work every month. Oh, that's something that you should you should calculate. So again, letter C should be the first one to be solved because you cannot solve A and B without C, right? So how do you solve letter C? C is actually units per month. So 900 per month, right? Divided by 30 per day. Remember the 30 per day? Bakit 30 per day? Because of this. We have the for me it's working, it's an assumed given, but in reality it's not an assumed given. It was actually calculated because we are saying that the output per month is 900, so it's the other way around, really. So it's like this is the given, actually. Okay, so this is the given, so you can work uh backwards. So if that is the given, the working days per month would be 900 divided by prod per day. Okay? So I hope you see that. 900 divided by 30. Okay? So I said here assume given. Actually, it's not assume given. It's actually what is needed in letter C. Okay? So that's why I said this is topsy-turvy because letter C should be letter A. Okay? So number of units, number of days now. So this is now the number of days that the workers work every month. Okay. If you need 900 output, okay. We should be. Where is that? Oh, this one. Okay. The total cost divided by the number of units. So the total cost would be 407,900. How do you get that? You add the fixed costs plus the variable cost over there. So 360 plus 47,900. And then the total number of units is 900 per month. So you divide 453.22 is the cost of the product. And then the selling, is this even, yeah, the selling price, it's not even asked here. So the selling price, okay, number 6, we have sorry again. Selling price of the product at 30% profit. So how do you do that? Again, let's change it. So we have 453.22 multiplied by 1.3. Why 1.3? Okay, because if you must put a profit, remember, this is the original price. Okay, original price. Sorry. Original price multiplied by 1 plus 30% equals selling price. That is the idea. Okay? Or you can say, yeah, this is the markup actually, the 30%. So if you, well, the original cost would be, sorry, not the original price, the cost of the product. So, or the original investment of the product. So, why is it 1 plus 30%? So, it's like the original cost of the product, okay, plus the original cost multiplied by 0.30, or actually 30%. That is the selling price. Selling price. Okay? So this is actually the formula. The original cost of the product, in that case, 453.22. And then you will add this part. Yung original cost times 30% would be 30% markup on this. So 30%. What is 30% of 453? Diba? And then you add that to the original. So if you look at this, original cost of the product plus original cost times 30%, you can actually factor original cost, from your algebra. Original cost of the product divided by original cost, so that's 1, plus original cost divided by original cost, what will remain would be the 30%. So this is actually the suggested retail price. Okay, so the retail price would be 589.19. Okay, so if you want to make a formula out of it, so just put here, for example, the desired margin, for example, desired margin. It says there 30% profit or margin profit. Okay, so it says 30%, right? So if you want to make it a formula, it should be the original cost. So this is the one multiplied by 1 plus 30%. And it will come out also as 589.19. So make it orange because this is the gold of it all. Okay, so that's it. I think this is way easier now because we already mapped out the formula in Excel. So that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.